This is the Xerox Iridesse production press. The district uses this mostly for their higher end color. You get into yearbooks. Our business cards are printed on here, postcards, bookmarks, any type of covers we're going to do on a perfect bound book for curriculum or activity books that our students use. All come through this machine. We use the specialty colors for our certificates, for graduations, promotions. We would print it on here with the higher resolution dry toner over our inkjet Baltoro, which we would use for more of our mailings and curriculum that needs to be in color at a lower cost. The finishing on this Iridesse production press helps us get more done with less. We have inline full bleed trimming, head to toe and the face trim. We get completed books at the end. It skips a step for our staff to have to take more time to finish this job. The job comes out done. We're able to print on a variety of different medias, including wide, extra large prints that we can make some very nice production materials for our recruiting programs and any type of marketing programs for any of our departments, CTE, any type of internship programs. Our old Xerox machine only allowed us to hit a certain requirement for our thickness of medias. This one allows us to exceed that and get to a better quality product of things like our business cards and our postcards and our bookmarks that our old machine didn't. This one does it all in high speed, gets it done quickly, and automates the process for us. With this production press, we could print yearbooks in-house at a lower cost to our district and to the sites, to the parents as well. With the cost saving, we get better participation from the families. We also get later deadlines. They don't have to turn them in so early. We could do 1 or 2 and we could get them in as late as they need and get them out within a week.